Form 944 for 2020 Employer's Annual Federal Tax Return. Should you deposit your tax liability or pay it with Form 944? So if the tax you withheld from your employees' wages and salaries, and your business side of Social Security tax and Medicare tax total to $2,500 or more, you cannot add payment to the Form 944 when you fill it out. You are required to make a deposit via EFT using EFTPS, if I got it right. So you are still required to file Form 944, but you have to make a direct deposit via electronic transfer before you file Form 944. So, and when you file Form 944, you do not add any payment to the form. If you make deposit, you do not add any payment to the form, and you do not fill out the voucher either. Then you send the form to the address, the mailing address on page 6 of Form 944. So it is on the 2020 instructions for Form 944 page 6. So you send the form, you locate the address in the second column without a payment that match the row where your state is, and that's the address you will use to send your form for 944. But if your tax liability is less than $2,500, you could pay it with the form. I mean, you could make a deposit, but you could pay with the form as well. But you should, in fact, because I put full, I'll put that. So you should pay in full. You could make a deposit, you could pay with the form, but you should pay in full. You add it to the form, and you file the form on time. And the form is due in 2020. The deadline is February 1st, 2021. So if you are adding payment to it, you have to file it on time. And if you made a deposit, you could file your form by February 10th of 2021. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see that here. Let's see what page they have that. But if you are paying your tax liability with the form, you have to file and mail it in by February 1st, 2021. It is on the instructions. Yeah, in the instructions somewhere. But I like to just go by the, the deadline, the default deadline, January 31st. And for 2020 is February 1st, 2021. And yeah, and you'll be able to find the address. We discussed that in another video, and all of our videos will be in a playlist related to Form 944 for 2020 for easy access. So for 2020, file Form 944 by February 1st, 2021. However, if you made deposit on time in full payment of the taxes due for the year, you may file the return by February 10th, 2021. And you have the address here. You'll mail your form with a payment or without a payment. So should you deposit your tax liability or should you pay it? Well, if your tax liability is $2,500 or more, you should make a deposit. If it is less than $2,500, you could make a deposit if you want, or you could pay with the form. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for your time. Thank you for all your comments. Thank you all that subscribe to our channel. I'm Afiavi Ojune Liberman, creators of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, owners of NinaSoap.com, our blog, Liberman Consulting L.L.C podcast, and we do have our natural product store, NinaSoap.com, custom apparel store, Label.com, retail store, LiberOutlets.com, digital product store, LiberDownload.com. Thank you.